The programs are as indicated.
Ebi babigambiro babaire bari mu rukiko rwa budget conference eyo mwaka gw'2026 orukoroirwa hari multipurpose hall mu Bushenyi.
Emyanya abaneriyo ne kurakura rate yayo ya 8.04 rwahonekera eyihanga yona abantu ko bakwata. So natushanga eje mpangwe rya habana abakazi abakora ku rwamya 18 ku myaka 35.
So these are 6 health centers and tools where the child is either they don't have or the one they have is getting full and the next 1 year we projecting not to be zero.
Abebembezi aba bacoborere bimwe abinte biretire ndwara y'akakoko ka sirimu neyongera speed y'ekijungereza.
Sport season abagambera ushanga ngo turi aha highway erukuza Kongo izindi zukuza Rwanda. So no ushangaga matawona nagamba hari abantu binja barkurara umwe kandi abarukushangana bazanja joburwire na nebindi.
Aba bagarikire bashobora ko enamba y'abana babojo abarukushora bakiri bato abari hagati y'imyaka 25 kuzara 30 neyongera ekiretse na no butabanko bo makana bo bwayongera.
Shangire ngo harimo batata runani 13 abashuyire bakiri hansi y'imyaka 12 imyaka 25 kandi kirimo buzubu bwinji na munonga ubutabanguko bwo maka kushanga omukazi ni babariyo barwana bariyo bateganisa abana babo batari kubafaho kubahereze byetengo.
Susan Kutambaki ori omwezi waka wa Bushenyi yatshoborero kubeheireyo okurebeka ngo buhereza bwa government bwa hikombyanga byona ebya Bushenyi district.
Tuza kutamamani okureba tuti service delivery ya improvinga omubyenguto tuza kureba tuti we normally receive sente ka 1 billion ezikuruga mu central government okore nguto twatamamani aminji munonga kureba tuti enguto zona za Bushenyi twazi maintaininga zaba possible
angire nka Bushenyi district ebairi ine challenge ugamangu ebayeta katungira ba partners abo kuba norangu center zona ezikwanziko sebo mu zona zo central government. In other words, the district ne depending on central government. Centers kugam central government zikwanzemeza district. So through this budget district budget conference nikani kutuyamba even to think critically ngo can we even attract these partners to come and partner with the district.
Ohirehe byamagara kutsigare nyuma bagizire ngo nane byo bwegese nabyo bikiriye nyuma bwa nyuma yo kushanga ngo hakiriho amagombora hamwe na nemerka hete ine mashomero ga government yo mu Bushenyi.
We only lack 3 secondary schools in the district. As the policy directs, every sub-county is supposed to have 1 USC school or a city school. So those one does not have the one sub-county does not have city school and Mpanga.
Arije munyenda kuhamza abantu umuntu bakweza proposals zabo bakore recommendations kandi kutrasware omukachiko kuba kweta district committee ninga kachiko ka government akarwaga na technical staff twara mu council tubihinguze turebye ngo Bushenyi twagitungura ombya agriculture ombya health ombya education ombya ngudo hamwe na ekwatrine na environment.
Orukiko rwa budget conference rweire rwetabirwemu abakozi ba Bushenyi roko government abebembezi bedini hamwe na nabandi okwenda kushijime byakozwe ebitakakozwe na nebirkwetengwa kongera wa mamani agagasha ko Olivia Nasasira abwata ya Rwesto mu Bushenyi.
Which they refer to the